Hey WIN-NextGen fam! This week, we're jumping into the future, and guess what? It's already here. New trends and breakthrough technologies are reshaping the 3S workforce. That's STEM, supply chain, and skilled trades. So, let's break it down. In STEM, it's about AI, biotech and engineering breakthroughs, and innovative energy solutions that are tackling real-world problems and powering new industries. In supply chain, tools like automation, blockchain, and smart logistics are making operations and global deliveries faster, more transparent, and more sustainable. In skilled trades, like auto and manufacturing sectors, it's not just about tools, it's smart technology powering our industries, like augmented reality training in healthcare, 3D printed homes, and green building tech. Let's test your knowledge, true or false. If you guessed true, that is correct. The world is changing fast, and so are the jobs. And yes, this is where you come in. At WIN-NextGen, you're not just watching these changes, you're preparing to lead them. No matter your interests coding, building, planning, designing, there's a place for you in the 3S workforce. This is your moment to explore, earn, and evolve. Let's build the future together, one trend, one skill, one step at a time.